Okay, I just woke up. And yeah, actually, my carbon fiber hood and fenders arrived yesterday. And I'm planning to install the hood today. Though I'm not feeling well right now, as you can tell. But we'll see. We'll try. It's been a couple of months already that my Civic is hanging right outside my room. And yeah, it's already dusty and it looks shit already. Just a quick update. I fucking damaged my fucking hood and my fucking headlights and my fucking fender. No shit. I'm fucking done. Let's go. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Oh, it looks so shitty right now. But there's the carbon fiber. Yeah. And yeah. The car keys. Car is already dusty and shit, as you can see. And yes, look what I've done. I damaged it. Oh man. I miss this car so much. Well, we had to start her up. There it goes. Yes, we have removed the old hood. So yeah, we have installed the hood, but there's a little problem. There's a gap. It's right here between the hood and the fenders. There's one big gap right here, so like we still need some adjustments. So here's what it looks like. But there's also a problem right here. From this side, it looks like flush, and this one it went in because of the impact, and I have to like pull it out so that will look level with the hood. And yeah, I still got the gap right here. And on the other side, it's a lot bigger. But yeah, we're still adjusting. So yeah, we drilled holes, but the problem is we got small drill bits available, so we had to buy those files so that we can grind it. Grind it well. So my dad's helping me out right there. That's what you have to do. Well, as you can tell, it was pushed down when the collision happened. Yeah, I had to like lift it up, and yeah, just to be aligned. So this is the nose frame. it's part of the engine bay, and yeah, have to hammer it so it will be leveled and aligned. Car is lowered, not that low, but just a bit. Have to remove the wheels so I can take off the bumpers. Yeah, I have removed the bumpers, and next I have to remove the broken headlight right here. It's on the left side, and yeah, as you can see, it's really dented on the nose frame right there on that side, and this one is also dented going inwards, just like that. As you can tell, it's not like this one. This one's really dented going in, so I have to hammer that out so that will be leveled. So yeah, so this is our work in progress. As you can tell, it's already somehow leveled right in this area, just like the other side. It's not that perfect yet, but I'm still waiting for the headlights so that we can like calibrate and arrange this as much as we can. But as of now, this is what we have done.
One eternity later.
So guys, I got my headlights. I will open it up right now. Woo. Look at this. Wow. This is nice. It looks really nice. Really good.
The next day.
So yeah, Manong's trying to do the framework right here. It's the nose frame. He's trying to get back to its original shape. And yeah, this is what we're going to do. I mean, this is the carbon fiber fenders. I have to remove the side markings on the original one, and the moldings. Have to drill holes for this and this, so that, yeah, that's our headlight. That's what it looks like with the old headlights and this new one. You can see the difference, you can tell. And yes, after almost a week, our carbon fiber hood, fenders, and new headlights are installed. And yeah, but you know what? We got this new fenders and hood, but I ran into another problem, and this is it. This is the dipstick tube, and it came out of the hole, and I need a new O-ring for this one, so I have to buy it right now. But yeah, excuse the car, it's not that clean yet, but yeah, after this we're gonna clean this afterwards.
A few moments later.
So pretty much that was it. I fixed the issue. I changed the O-ring of the dipstick tube, and it's already good. And it's running again. So here's the clip of the before and after.
You so crazy, you so crazy, you so you so crazy, you so crazy, you so crazy, you so you so crazy, you so crazy, you so crazy, you so you so crazy.
Far east to west, mic check 1, 2, 3, 4照り焼きの言葉ネプチューンのビートヒートアップするバーゼンシンクロ嫉妬するぐらいに Living large な俺らが教えてやる Who's in charge? Too large
So hard, so hard, you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so you're so crazy. So hard, you're so crazy, you're so crazy, you're so crazy.
超でかい腹の中叩いてドル箱アイドル眠ってる埋蔵金も掘り当てちゃう、ありがとうどういたしまして、このシューズのサイズは9ハーフあの時のミキロックのようにセクシャルただのエージェントじゃないぜテクニシャンそこの芸者ほらおしゃくしな
Yeah, freaky な男の俺マシンいるで一番 Got some sweet as me 身が出てるいつだってどっとも非常事態もうドラップしそう
Hey mommy, hey mommy, hey mommy, hey mommy, hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you beautiful. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey, can I get that number? Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you beautiful. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Hey mommy, you sexy. Can I get that number? Big hot pockets, fair you're ugly. Corny busted, chop shake fugly. British guys playing rugby. Brooklyn boys who wanna thug me. Skanky, cranky, foogly, oogly. Stand make dudes that wanna do me. Dunkin' through, skunky flavors. Banging, make a hot to haters. Country boys and the boys in the city. Bobby Love.